Hello everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore, and today I have an Easter basket to share with you. Although this could be a Mother's Day basket, you could fill it with little goodies, you could put a little gift inside. It's really cute. It is a tulip Easter box. I really like this one. It's really cute. I love the little tulips on here. And the first one that I made, I used different colors. I'm going to show you it really quickly here. This is the one that I made originally, but I decided to go with a solid color. I thought these would be really cute on a dinner table at Easter on each place setting in all different colors. But you can definitely do it like this. I also changed up the handle on this one because I liked this one better. I liked it thinner, and I liked the Happy Easter that I put on there. But you can do it either way. You can make it very colorful and cherry like that. You can make it monochromatic like this one, which we're going to do today, but I'm going to do a melon mambo one today to show you. I just really think they'd be cute as place settings on a table. So this is what I'm sharing today. Let's go ahead and get started. This is a really easy box. So this piece is 6 3/4 by 5 1/2, and then you need another piece for the handle that is 3/4 by 9. You do need a bunch of scrap Whisper White. I just pulled this scrap out of my scrap drawer because I always keep my scrap pieces, and this is what I'm going to use for stamping the tulips and punching them out. Now I am using the Timeless Tulip stamp set. I'm actually using the bundle on this. So it is this bundle right here. And then it has the punch that's coordinating. I love this one. It's so pretty, and I love how it stamps. And then I'm using the Happy Easter from the Welcome Easter. Alright, so let's get started. I'm going to stamp the tulips first. I'm going to show you how I do it, and then I'm just going to speed the video so you don't have to, you need 10 of them. So I need to stamp and punch 10. So I am not going to bore you with doing 10 of them, but I'm going to show you how that I'm doing them. You need to space them a little bit because it does have another piece that it cuts. It's like a leaf. So I'm just going to do like 3 on this one, and I may turn it around and do the other side if I have room. So we're going to just punch each one of these, but see, this is either, you can make this 3D and use this piece and stamp it. It'll go on like this, and then you can flip it over and it'll go out the other way. But you need to make room when you're doing that for this. So that's why I decided to use scrap for this, so that I would just use up the scrap that I have in my thing instead of bringing out a full piece. Now I'm going to do 10 of these the same way, and then I'll be right back. Okay everyone, I have all 10 stamped and punched, and now we need to add dimensionals to the back of all of these. Okay, so now I have dimensionals on all the backs of these, and then we're going to do the box. We'll bring these back and we'll put it on the box. Alright, so here is our bottom of the box. We're going to score this. We're going to score this at the 6 3/4 side at 1 1/2 and 5 1/4. And then you're going to turn it, and we're going to score it in the 5 1/2 inch side at 1 1/2 and 4. That's it for our scoring. Alright, so now to cut this, we are just going to cut each of these. And now I'm going to sharpen all of these score marks here. I really need to be going this way. This is the proper way to do it. And then we're going to just use some wet glue here. Now I'm going to put it on each one of these corners. Line that up. All right, so here is our basket. So let's go ahead and put our tulips all on there. So let's grab those. Need to take all these backings off now. And we're going to start lining them up. Now the best way that I found to do it is do the two ends first and then put your one in the middle. And it doesn't matter as much on your sides because the sides only have two on them. You noticed when I was putting on my dimensionals that I used all the ends of my dimensionals. Never throw those away. Always make use of everything that you have. And then our last two. Oops. And for Mother's Day, you can write Happy Mother's Day across the handle. I think it'd be really cute for Mother's Day too. So we're going to use the Happy Easter, and I'm going to use the Melon Mambo again because we're doing it the same color. On the other one, I used Purple Posy and Grape, Gorgeous Grape. And I am going to go all the way down the handle. You're not going to see part of it because we're going to glue that on there, but I like having it all covered. And then we're just going to put some adhesive on the ends here. I'm just using the wet glue. And you are going to put the handle on here. And then this time I'm going to use my crinkled seam binding ribbon in the Whisper White. I didn't have the Melon Mambo. I could have colored some Melon Mambo, but I thought I love this ribbon. Anytime I have the chance to use it, I use it. Alright, so there you have it. Isn't that pretty? I love these. Oh, I wanted to show you how I do the grass for it too, but wouldn't those be cute as table settings for your family and just fill it with some little goodies? So the way that I cut the grass for this, I used my new mini trimmer. And by the way, if you would like this trimmer, you can join my team, Stamping with Amore team, which is called Team Love Bugs. And I'd love to have you as a team member. If you've been thinking about it, consider joining my team. I would love to have you. We have team meetings. I have free business training, access to free business training, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. And this is a fun way to earn extra money. So this is what I'm using. This is free if you join during celebration. I love this trimmer, and it cuts super, super thin pieces. So I just cut a bunch of those, and I just take them and I just crinkle them all in my hand. No use buying it when you have scrap and you can make your own and then just put it inside your box. And I cut, on the other one, I cut probably that whole piece and I filled it in the inside. So aren't those fun? I hope you enjoyed them, everyone. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com and shop for my blog. This is my March hostess code. All right, everyone. I'll see you in the next one. Have a blessed one. Bye.